Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. The cocktail we are making today is a strong mix of alcohol with interesting combination of flavors. It has herbs, it has orange, it has vanilla. Ladies and gentlemen, the cocktail's name is CONNOISSEUR'S Treat. It's really easy to make, 3 ingredients only, and without further ado, let's crack straight into it. So the base of this cocktail is cognac or brandy. I'm using cognac. 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Next up is Grand Marnier, 15 ml, half an ounce. Oh god, I love this drink. It smells so good, tastes even better. And the last ingredient, Galliano, 15 ml, half an ounce. Just a little bit more. Now we need ice. And give it a good stir. Nice. Now we need a rocks glass. And I'm going to use 1 large ice cube and strain the cocktail over fresh ice. For garnish, all we need is an orange peel. So just that's about it. Trim it just a little bit. Give a little rub and just put it inside. That's it, ladies and gents. CONNOISSEUR'S Treat. Cheers. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good, definitely. I mean, if you put aside that one of the ingredients is one of my favorite drinks, Grand Marnier, this is actually really good. You can taste cognac, you can taste Grand Marnier, you can taste vanilla and herbs from Galliano. It's a really interesting flavor, interesting mix. I definitely recommend this one. And that's it, ladies and gents. We made the CONNOISSEUR'S Treat. Real easy to make, 3 ingredients only. Cognac, Grand Marnier, Galliano. Try it, it's delicious, trust me. Like I always suggest, try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.